Your phone is gone and it took 20 years of contacts with it. No backup or a backup that's somehow older than the numbers you actually need. People you've known for decades and you cannot reach a single one of them. Start with the easy recovery. Your carrier can't give you your contacts back, but your cloud account might. Check whether Google Contacts or iCloud has an older snapshot, because even a stale backup restores most of your list. Your email account is a contact database in disguise. Search it for signature blocks. So is your messaging history on anything you accessed from a computer. Your call detail records are the underrated one. Your carrier will provide your own billing statements, which list every number you called and were called by. That's not names, but it's the raw material, and it's yours by right because it's your account. Now, the part people don't expect, the numbers you recover this way will be a mix of current and dead because the list is a snapshot of whenever the backup happened. Friends move, change carriers, abandon lines. That's the same problem as any locate. Take the names, match them to current records, and get current numbers back. If you've lost touch with people who mattered and there's no digital trail left, that's not a tech problem anymore. It's a people search. PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com has been reconnecting people since 2004. Give us the names you remember, we'll find the numbers you lost. Start your search today and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.